Welcome to another video. On this video we are going to see how you can convert your handwriting, your written text to a printed one. So we are going to start by using a particular app. So you head over to your Play Store, type in print. This is the app Pen to Print. So you so the selection is complete. So you click open. You click on this plus sign to give you the option to from your camera or from your photos from the text you want to edit. So we're going to go directly. We use camera. Click on camera. Give it permission. So this is the text we are going to convert from pen to print. So we snap it. Click next. Give the app few minutes. So you see the edit. You see it has converted it to a printed text. From the evolution of Nigerian Parliament since 19 to the death of quality, you can carry out some edits. This one is ought to edit it. You click edit here. This one ought to be of administration, at government level. When you are done with the edit, you click done. Then you continue. If there are other section of the text that was converted that is not correct, you carry out the edit. Click here. Click done. Just like that. Click pen. You click done. When you are through with the edit, click done. You will see an output of what you have just converted from the written text to a printed text. And you click here. The text is saved. You head over, you see my saved text. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and look out for more videos on this channel. Thank you.